Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you beautiful people doing? How you beautiful people doing? I hope you all is doing well on this beautiful day. Thank you all so much for all the support. I appreciate you guys very much. Yes, I'm just gonna show you guys my garden after I clean it up. So today I take a day. It's rain yesterday. So I take the day today and clean it up. You see how everything looking clean and fresh. That's how your garden's supposed to look. Just like that. Okay, now I'm gonna show you something here, right? This is what I use for my manure, my compost. This is what I use. You see all these grass and dry bush and cabbage leaf and all them stuff. I put them there and I leave them. Let the rain hit them, the sun, then I mix them up with the dirt and make it look like this. This is where I have my home. So what's there is used to be looking just like this. If you look at my videos them about compost, you're gonna see the same area when I was creating the way how I do my compost. So all this, let me show you guys. These are dry grass, dry bushes. But what I do now, I mix it up and it looking like this. You see, these are my herbs. Look how beautiful these herbs looking. This is what you call organic, my friends. Over here, the same process. Just this is what I use, and this is right here. The same process. So when you do this, your earth gonna always be rich because you always add in to the dirt to make the dirt rich. So I use grass, bushes, all kind of dirt, all kind of natural stuff. Let me show you. Okay, those are my carrots right there coming along. But you see this tree? I leave this tree here for rotten for some years. So one day I'm gonna start digging this tree and get the rotten stuff from out of that tree, and that's what I'm gonna use for my compost. So I have potato plant here, I have carrots plant in there, I have some peppers. I have peppers in this whole area. So all this is pepper. Don't forget my beautiful peach tree. Yes, I gotta show you guys that. Alright, so basically everything is shaping up. The garden and start expanding. The garden is really expanding now, guys. Getting bigger and bigger and beautiful at the same time. Alright, these are kale and collard green right here. These are the onions. You see I clean the bed. I clean the bed, so now the onions them looking nice. Alright, so this container, I throw these kind of stuff. You see, dirt mixed with bush. So I fill up this whole container with that. So I'm gonna leave that just there, let water and the sun hit it, and that's gonna be real decent compost. See the lettuce bed, I clean it up. Look how nice it's looking. Clean up the whole area. Now I'm setting seed outside now. I don't need to go inside and set no seed now. So pachoy, I set some pachoy seed. Now I can set my seed outside. The weather is changing. This is just a tour after cleaning the garden. You see, you barely can see any weed inside the garden. I take my time and I clean the whole place up. These are kale, but I'm saving them because I need the seed. So that's why I'm saving them. These are some cabbage right here. The scallop greens. I mean, guys, this is a real nice garden here, guys. Plenty vegetables. So all I'll be doing is eating kale, mixing them with juice, collard greens. For this whole summer, that's all I'm eating. No meat. And guys, you gotta rest that meat. Put that meat aside for a moment. You don't want to be eating meat every day. Sometimes you got to give the body time to break down whatever meat you eat. You can't be compacting your stomach with meat. So sometimes you got to give your time, like all you eat is vegetables. How you doing, man? Yeah. Yes, guys, so everything looking beautiful. Yeah. All right, so you guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.